In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix all .dll files missing error in Windows 10. And also this method will work in Windows 7 and Windows 8. So first method to resolve this DLL issue. Open any web browser, then type DirectX and press enter. Now in here click on first link from Microsoft.com. Now select your language, then click on download. Once file downloaded, double click on it. It will ask permission, so click on yes. Accept, then next, and wait till this procedure will be complete. Once installation complete, click on finish. Now restart your PC. If this method is not work, so try second method. Click on start, then type cmd. Click on run as administrator. Now type this command line sfc space / scan now. Then press enter. This process will take some time, so wait for a while. And after restart your PC. Still you are facing error, so try third method. Again open cmd and run as administrator. Then type this command line. I will give this command in description, so copy and paste here. Then press enter. Hopefully friends, using this method, this DLL issue will be fixed. And still you are facing error, so try last method. So open web browser again. Now you need to find out DLL error and find out error code, like you have this error msvcr 100.dll. So open web browser. And type that similar code and find out this link www.dll-files.com, and you will see your error code in here. So click on it. Now click on download. Once it's downloaded, minimize it and click on start and type this PC. Now open C drive, Windows. Now find out system32. Now copy that file and paste in system32. Click on replace the file in the destination. Now close it and restart your PC. So hopefully friends, using this simple method and steps, DLL missing issue will be resolved. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video work for you or not.